Hey guys, MJ at Outpost Pottery. I want to show you how to use these slab slicers we've developed. One side is 3/8 of an inch and the other side is 1/4 inch. You take your normal wire tool, I just wrap it around my 3 fingers there, and then I hold it like that. Now I'm going to wrap it around the other side over here and hold it like that. And I kind of wrap around that wood piece too. And then I like my thumbs to be kind of free. I go to the notch that I want and then I'll just walk it down. Slice. Walk it down, slice. So you just hold it in the notch, right like that. We're going to slice one, and now we're going to go down to 14, and slice one, 13. This is the 1/4 inch side, and each of these slabs is exactly 1/4 inch. These slabs are not going to warp in the fire. Sometimes when you stretch clay through a slab roller, it'll stretch back. Clay has a memory and it'll stretch back, but these keep the clay's memory that it was in the bag. My name's MJ at Outpost Pottery. Thanks for watching and keep on learning.